As you can see, there's an alignment problem with the window on the Baja jet boat. Tracing this down, came up with basically 4 problem areas. One was a support for the dash structure. Some of the wood supporting the dash, like some of the other wood in the boat, had rotted away. Also, the window support bars were broken. The rubber gasket under the window had deteriorated, and some of the hardware, like the latches and things like this, were also broken. Now, this was a tailor-made window, and so we're going to basically we took the window off the boat and resolved all of these problems. If you go under the gunnel of the boat, you'll find that there are a series of bolts that hold the window to the hull. And what you do is soak the bolts with a liquid wrench or a little bit of WD-40, and take the bolts off that are holding the window to the boat. The next step is to remove the bolts from the support rods. I chose the upper bolts that went into the window, and notice since the windows are in 2 pieces, it's a walk-through window, you can remove the windows on one side of the boat at a time. Next, you remove the little screw at the corner of the windows. What this does is this holds the side window and the front window together. Once you remove the screw, you can begin lifting each one of the sections, and they'll slide apart at the corners. Now, on this boat, the fiberglass for the dash basically came down, but wasn't attached to the floor. It was screwed into the wood at the back of the seats in the bow rider area. And what had happened was the wood had rotted, and of course that caused misalignment of the dash. Actually, it's on both sides, same problem. So what had to be done was the wood on the seats, both a top piece and the back piece, had to be totally removed and replaced with new wood and re-screwed to properly align the dash. To reassemble the windows, what we did, we put rubber weather stripping from TaylorMade underneath the windows. We replaced all of the hardware holding the window to the fiberglass with new stainless steel hardware, new washers. I replaced the locks and stops on the windows. We'd purchased those new. And basically, we just aligned the window. As you can see, it lines up. And it was pretty much the reverse process of taking it apart. This was our approach for fixing the window alignment problem. The majority of it was caused by the rotted wood in the bow rider seats. Hope you enjoyed episode 11 on the boat, the Baja project boat. Please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.